I saw a bird.
Oh, magic trick.
Just a plastic.
Me too.
This is the airplane.
Sticky.
Hello.
Hello guys.
Hello.
Welcome back in Evan and Dre
Toys.
Toys video. And today we're gonna open
Ultraman.
Ultraman. Tarat, tarat, tarat. Ultraman. We have two figure.
1 and 2.
The bad guys, Belial kalau nggak salah. If I'm not mistake, this is Belial, and this is Ultraman. This is the good guys. This is the bad guys. Which one you gonna open it first, Eben?
Okay.
Yes, I open the bad
Wait.
guy.
Wait.
What?
The table is so small. One by one, I say.
It's okay. Yes, I know. Table is small,
I don't like
but
the small
I
one.
curious about this dark Ultraman, Eben. You open it the good guy, I open it the bad guy.
Oh, okay.
Yes. The table is small. We're gonna open the
This was.
you first. Where the instruction,
Wait.
Eben, the instruction.
This is just like the
You
Star
forgot.
Wars.
Yes, this is like Star Wars.
Yeah.
What? Lightsaber.
Table.
Zoom. Nice.
Zim.
This is LELE toys. It's different with from Shenyang. This is so easy to assemble its parts. So cool. Nice printing on the body and the head. Nice. So cool.
We have this.
This is so cool. What about the weapon? The weapon is a lightsaber. What? Like Star Wars?
Yes, I know.
I think this is a Jedi.
Hmm?
Jedi Ultraman.
Jedi Ultraman?
Yes.
Are you serious?
It's a Star Wars weapon.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the vehicle for the Ultraman. Like this maybe. Yep. And this is the extra part for build the giant monster. Like this one. If we assemble all the box, all the small set, we combine it, it will become 8-in-1 giant monster. Look, this is all the figure. This is the instruction.
Be careful. So dark.
Okay, I built the
Playsets.
bad guy.
That God. So bad.
So bad.
Boing.
Oh no, it's not in a dark. Oh, LELE bricks. Why? It's different with the picture. It's supposed to be black,
Yes.
all black.
Are you serious? Are you?
Okay, but it's okay. Let's build the set. Oh, nice. Finish, Eben.
No.
Oh, what is it?
No.
Yes, this is the bad guy, Belial, if I'm not mistaken. But it is the wrong color. It's supposed to be all black helmet with red eye.
No.
But this is what? Silver, gray. It's okay. And this is the vehicle for him. Nice printing as always. With the good guy Ultraman. This is the good guy Ultraman, and this is the bad guy. Okay. And this is the extra parts for joining, combine with the big figure, the Godzilla figure, monster figure. Okay, here you go, our new small set from LELE Bricks, Ultraman from LELE Bricks. This is the next. See you on our next video. Everything about toys, about figure, about everything about toys on Eben and Dre toys video. See you guys. Bye bye, Eben.
Bye.
Bye. This is so cool, Eben.